Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram account from login list. So first of all, just open the Instagram application, and from here, when we long press on our profile icon in the bottom right corner, you can see all the profiles or Instagram accounts that is logged in this device. So what we can do is just click on our profile icon and tap on the upper right corner of the screen and just tap on this settings and privacy. From here you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom and just log out from your account. Just log out, or as you can see you are already logged in to the other accounts that is logged into this account. So what we can do is just hold and long press on our profile icon, and from here just tap on add account. We have to log into the existing account, and from here you will see all of your accounts that is logged into your device. So from here what you can do is just simply tap on these three dots and tap on this remove, and that's how you can remove Instagram account from the list. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.